Welcome to Metalcraft and Designs 4.0. Scrap metal art projects offer a unique and creative way to repurpose these created materials and transform them into stunning works of art. In this video, we will explore a variety of design ideas that can inspire you to create your own scrap metal art masterpieces. One popular approach to scrap metal art is creating sculptures and statues by welding together different pieces of metal. You can bring life to abstract or figurative forms. Let your imagination run wild as you shape the metal into captivating and thought-provoking sculptures that can become focal points in your home or outdoor space. Another exciting avenue to explore is wall art made from scrap metal. By combining various metal pieces, you can create intricate and dynamic designs that add texture and visual interest to your walls. Whether it is geometric pattern, an abstract composition, or a nature-inspired motif, scrap metal wall art can become a conversation piece and a stunning addition to your home decor. I hope you will find these designs very beautiful, gorgeous, and new. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more scrap metal projects for beginners as well as for all of you. For those with a passion for functional art, consider repurposing scrap metal into furnitures, from unique coffee tables to chairs and benches. The possibilities are endless. Let material guide your creativity as you incorporate metal elements into your furniture designs, adding an industrial and edgy touch to your interior decorations. Garden and outdoor spaces can also benefit from scrap metal art projects. Consider crafting metal flowers, birds, or even wind chimes using salvaged materials. These pieces can withstand the elements while adding a touch of whimsy and charm to your outdoor decor. The beauty of scrap metal art lies in its ability to combine different textures and finishes, experiment with patines, rusted surfaces, polished finishes, and painted accents to create depth and contrast in your projects. Embrace the natural colors and textures of the metal, or apply bold and vibrant hues to add a pop of color to your creations. One of the most exciting aspects of scrap metal art projects is the opportunity to source materials from various places, explore scrap yards, junkyards, and even your own garage or basements for discarded metal pieces that can be repurposed. Not only does this contribute to sustainability, but it also adds a story and history to your art. If you are new to the metalworking, don't be intimidated. Start with simpler projects like in my video and gradually expand your skills and techniques. There are plenty of online resources, tutorials, and classes that can help you learn the basics of welding and metal fabrication. Safety is paramount when working with scrap metal. Be sure to wear appropriate protective gear, including gloves, goggles, and a welding mask. Take necessary precautions to avoid accidents and injury during the creation process. Finally, embrace the imperfections and unique qualities of each piece of scrap metal. These materials often carry a history and character that adds depth and authenticity to your art. Let the irregular shapes, weathered surfaces, and patina tell a story and become an integral part of your design. In conclusion, scrap metal art projects open up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to transform discarded materials into unique and visually captivating piece of art. Whether you're creating sculptures, wall art, furniture, or outdoor decor, the beauty of working with scrap metal lies in the freedom of experiment, repurpose, and let your imagination guide you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.